Today we are going to see how to create clouds. So here I am catching these clouds near to my house, as well as catching these kind of clouds while my flight traveling. I am showing this nature for your happiness. What is the beauty of God's creation? Because of this painting, I am taking 12 by 16 canvas board for creating of clouds. Acrylic colors are ultramarine blue, cobalt blue and titanium white for sky background. First we have to finish the sky background. For blending, already I uploaded the video for beginners how to various kinds of blendings with using multicolors, tips and tricks with techniques. Check the video. And day by day, I will upload the Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. These kind of videos will help the beginners large and improve your skills in paintings. And you can check the color mixing. Keep watching, keep following, and importantly, keep practicing. I am going to use sponge as well as small size mop brush for this creating of clouds painting. I am using the same colors which I used for background like ultramarine blue, cobalt blue and titanium white. First taking small sizes of sponge and taking little bit of titanium white to one corner of the sponge, then smoothen up like this as I am doing. In between sometimes I am picking little bit of cobalt blue as well as ultramarine blue for creating clouds. Just you smoothen up the paint with sponge as well as brush slowly, gently and step by step, left to right and up to and down. Here I want to say a tips for beginners. Probably I am not using water for creating clouds. Sometimes only I am using very little bit of water. Please just you do like this as I am doing. It's completely for beginners. Hi dear, if you are the beginner, try to learn the basic fundamental concept of what is primary color, how to create lot of colors from the primary colors, and how to blend with two colors, multicolors and different kind of blending like circular, semicircular, diagonal, curve, vertical and horizontal. Next, how to paint easy trees, how to create snowy mountain ranges with a few steps. Next, how to make own handmade canvas at home. All the beginners level videos are available on our channel. These all will help to improve your skills in paintings. Until day by day I will upload Skillshare video for beginners. You can enjoy and try to create your paintings your own style. There is no limitation, no definition to paint. Your own style you can paint. And don't worry, I don't have lot of colors, but if you have 3 colors, you can create lot of colors. How do you know? Please check colors mixing video for beginners. Still, my upcoming video I am going to upload for beginners. What are the brushes are there? How to create small paintings with the creating colors of mixing colors. Stay tuned with me. Please, you can check the playlist in beginner's guide. just you try creating all these clouds. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.